Welcome to Saint Monique Townhouse. Living room, dining area, toilet and bath, laundry area. Akyat tayo sa taas. We have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. Wow, itong bedroom 3 may toilet na sarili, master's bedroom niya. Yan. May abang na rin po sa aircon, built-in cabinets, and you look the view. Surrounding view. Napaka-green ng ating view. Amazing view. Built-in cabinets. Lakas ang hangin. Ayan, ang ating built-in cabinet. Oh, pati, with, diba? With bath. Toilet and bath. Napakaganda. Saan ka pa makahanap ng ganyang kaganda at kamurang bahay? Through Pag-ibig Financing. Bedroom 1 for our kids. And bedroom 2. And going down. And the laundry area. For more details, please call.
Pati yung 2 bedrooms.
Please call Donna 0915-1217-559. And for my Viber, 0928-439937. God bless everyone. Have a nice day. Call or chat on my Viber and check on my YouTube also. Thanks for watching everyone. God bless. Like and share. Lots and house and lots for sale here at Saint Monique, located at Binangonan, Pantok, Binangonan, Rizal. Santok, Larangan, Binangonan, Rizal. Overlooking view. Makapaling view. For more details, please DM me or PM me or call anytime. God bless everyone. Townhouse unit at Saint Monique.
Posting mo kaya din sila.
So ano nga sa kanila, yung dami, ito lang yung isa ko.
Pilihan ko ng farm.
Ayan kayo, ang ganda.
Dito na office ang ayun na mag-office na sa Opry. Opry Miles. Sabi nga na, bawal sa kapag dalawa. Ito na, dalawa ka pa naman. Guard naman.